So here's the tutorial for how to edit our email templates. So we have two email templates, one is Visser and one is Cloe. The Cloe is more block-based, Visser is less block-based, but they're both very modular, so they'll be easy to edit. How you would want to start with either is copying this theme builder access URL and pasting it in your browser. Now we can see both. This is called the theme builder. It's all good in terms of editing, but if you ever wanted to export, that's when you would need to put in the password, so to speak. That password is the purchase code, and that purchase code pertains to Visser, that pertains to Cloe. If ever you were instructed to work on this, you would be told explicitly which template you were working on. We'll begin with Cloe. Here we have our content blocks arranged and the preview of what the newsletter itself will be. These are the content blocks that are with the template. So you can add a content block in. You can say we wanted to add a more image-heavy gallery. We could add in these. If we wanted to add another, we have the option of either dragging here from the left section, which is our menu, so to speak, or if you go to the left here and hover, you can see we can trash that. We could also say duplicate it rather than dragging from the left. But it's sensible enough. You have a double text, you have a double image, you have an image left, text right, text left, image right, a nice header image, and then this is kind of the call to action at the base. So if you want to edit any text elements, just double click within it. If you want to edit any other elements, you'll note that the blocks themselves have an edit and an X, an edit and an X. The X gets rid of it. We would really have no cause to do that. You should be working with what's templated. So I will reset that block. So if I delete this and I didn't intend to, I would reset that block to get it back. Now, again, double click to edit the texts. To edit the image, we'll do that and adjust. See style here. Nothing's really pertinent there. You would have no cause to change the border. It's really just right here. So you'll be using the upload image option rather than the image path, and the images themselves would be in the same folder that this original file was, in the box folder, or if this isn't Kayla or somebody on the creative team, then it would be in our Google Drive. And the file would be shared with you. So you upload this image here, and that would change that background image. Then upon completing it, we would export the site, and that's when we're going to be prompted for the purchase code, as I said. So I know I'm going a little fast. I will do a second one where you see me edit the links themselves, edit the images themselves, edit the text. So editing the text is one thing here, but if I wanted to actually edit on these buttons the outgoing URL, or where it clicks through to, as we'll see, I'll click that edit, and then that link in here. And just make sure that when we're doing the link that we have the full http://address, which is what anything will default to if you copy it out of the Chrome browser window. Okay. So that'll be the end of this tutorial. The next one, you'll see me actually working with it.